Yo, what is up you guys? My name is Benji and welcome back to another video. Before we get started with this one, make sure to please drop a like in the video for some good luck for AMC. If you guys want to see some all-time highs like I do, make sure to drop a like in the video. I'm super excited to announce that we currently have a few more slots open for our exclusive private trading Discord. Inside the Discord, you'll find real-time stock picks from yours truly, see all of my trades in real time, and chat with other thousands of investors that are constantly posting plays, trades, and more. We even have multiple millionaire investors in there which you could pick their brain, ask them questions, etc. So make sure you guys join before we close the server again because we are only letting in a limited amount of people. Click the second link down below in my description to join. I have a feeling we are going to have another very interesting day of trading today. Yesterday, just a little recap, we did see negative 10.72% and then we did somehow close the day basically flat. But there is some craziness going on throughout the market. Bitcoin is absolutely selling off. As well as yesterday, the markets in general were very red. Even the Russell 2000 ended yesterday pretty red, which AMC is of course inside of. So we are going to have to see how AMC can trade today. But we do have a brand new price prediction for AMC and a technical breakdown I want to share with you guys. The AMC stock fell 0.97% on last Monday, which was yesterday, from 34.96 to 34.62 and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day, the stock fluctuated 13.45%. Yes, the volatility is back for AMC. From a day low of 31.15 to a day high of 35.34, the price has fallen 8 out of the last 10 days and down by 33.37% for that period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell 13 million shares and a total of 112 million shares were bought and sold for approximately 3.88 billion. But given the short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 146.93% during the next 3 months and with the 90% probability hold price between $85.49 and $222.91. So yes guys, in the short term, this analyst is saying that AMC is trading down, but over the next 3 months with a 90% probability, AMC is said to go up. Now personally, I think the price of AMC in the future is going to have a lot more to do with the current short interest and if and when AMC starts to squeeze. And I happen to believe that AMC will actually reach a much higher price point, but that's just my opinion. Next guys, we did see this tweet yesterday from FX Hedge. It said margin calls go out at 2 p.m. Eastern. Now this sent the community sort of crazy. We didn't know exactly what this meant. This Twitter user said, on one hand, I see this as a margin call at 2 p.m., but don't necessarily mean hedge funds aren't going to meet margin requirements. On the other hand, margin calls are happening at 2 p.m., all about perception. I will go with the safer option, which is number 1 till proven otherwise. This other Twitter user said, remember margin calls doesn't mean squeeze. It is a catalyst to a squeeze, but not automatically. Firms have an hour to meet margin requirements according to the new DTCC regs. If requirements are met, they will be forced to sell assets to cover their positions. So keep in mind guys, a lot of these hedge funds are not only holding shorts at AMC, they have other positions. So if they do find themselves in a position where the market's dropping quite a bit and they are no longer meeting margin requirements, then at that time and place, there is a possibility that they could have certain assets within their portfolios liquidated. But regardless, it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out because we have been reading a lot through different articles that have been saying that the hedge funds are more levered than they have been in years. Now lastly guys, let's take a quick look at the options chain for AMC for this week's expiration date, July 23rd. Last week, the options chain was telling us an entirely different story than this week. This week, there are many more calls than we have puts. Top strike prices currently are $145, valued at around $3 per contract. $135, valued at around $4 per contract. And then we have 40, we have 60, we have 50. So as far as the calls go, the top open interest calls are mostly pretty far out of the money for AMC this week. The top open interest strike price for the puts, we got $30, $25, $15, and $20. And then we do have a good amount of puts that are actually in the money currently. This week's expiration put to call ratio is at 0.93, so they're pretty close neck and neck. The total call volume is 198,000 and the put volume total is 185,000. But the open interest is completely different. There is many more calls open interest than there is puts. Calls 157,000 and puts 94,000. But if you guys want to stay up to date with everything else going on with AMC, make sure to please subscribe to my channel with notifications turned on so you never miss out on a thing. I post daily videos giving you all the information you need in regards to AMC. Also guys, make sure to please drop a like on the video for some good luck, as well as drop a like on the video because the more likes we get on these videos, the more YouTube shares it around. So if you want more apes to see videos like this, make sure to please drop a like on the video. And finally, we are allowing a few more people into our exclusive trading Discord server. So go down in my description, the second link down there, and make sure to join it today. Thanks as always guys, and I'll see you in the next one.